Hello friends, today I am discussing about top 50 important geography questions. First question, which planet has the maximum value of escape velocity? Answer, Jupiter. Second question, which planet has been named after the Roman Lord of War? Answer, Mars. Third question, the earth rotates around on its axis pointing towards the pole star. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is located between answer Venus and Mars. Fifth question: a solar eclipse occurs when answer Moon comes between Earth and Sun. Sixth question: at sunrise or sunset, the Sun appears red. This is because answer refraction causes this phenomenon. Seventh question: in which way does the moon revolves around the earth in its orbit? Answer: east to west. Eighth question: the international date line is the answer 0 degree longitude. Ninth question: which of the parts of the sun is easily visible only during a total solar eclipse? Answer: corona. 10th. What is the unit of measurement of the distance of stars from the earth? Answer: light year. 11th question. Titan is a satellite of which planet? Answer: Saturn. 12th question. The minimum distance between the sun and earth occurs on 3rd January. 13th question. An astronomical unit is a unit of answer distance. 14th question. How far the axis of the earth is inclined to its orbital surface? Answer: 23.5 degree. 15th question. How much surface of the moon is visible from the earth? Answer: about 59%. 16th question. Metamorphic rocks are generated from both igneous and sedimentary rocks. 17th question. What is an organic rock? Coal. 18th question. What are the oldest rocks in our country? Answer: the Aravallis. 19th question. The intensity of earthquake is measured by answer: seismograph. 20 Question 20. The atmosphere is heated mainly due to answer: radiation. 21 question. If there was no atmosphere, then the length of the day on the earth will be answer: remain the same. 22. The velocity of winds is governed by answer: pressure and gradient. 23 question. What is a tornado? Answer: a low pressure center. 24. The southernmost point of the peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari, is answer: north of equator. 25th question. Madhya Pradesh its border with the how many states? Answer: 5 states. 26th question. Palk state connects India to which country? Answer: Sri Lanka. 27th question. Coral reefs in India can be found in answer: Rameswaram. 28th question. In India, how many states shares the coastline? Answer: 9. 29th question. Which country is separated from India by the McMahon line? Answer: China. Which state of India has the longest coastline? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. 31st question. Name of the only Indian state which makes boundary with three countries. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. 32nd question. Which Indian state is bordered by Bangladesh from three sides? Answer: Tripura. 33rd question. The oldest mountain range of India. Answer: Aravalli Range. What is the youngest mountain in India? Himalayas. 35th question. The watershed between India and Myanmar is formed by the answer Naga Hills. 36th question. Which is the oldest and deepest freshwater lake in the world? Answer Lake Baikal. 37th question. The study of universe is known as answer cosmology. 30th question. Which planet possesses fastest rotational speed in solar system family? Answer Jupiter. 39th question. What is the distance between each degree of latitude? Answer 1111 kilometers. 40th question. Which city of UP is nearest to India Standard Time, known as IST? Answer Allahabad. 41st question. How many countries share its land borders with India? Answer 7 countries. 42nd question. Which is the highest mountain peak of India? Answer K2. 43rd question. What is the Ganga river? Source of Ganga river? Answer Gangotri glacier. 44th question. What is the source of Krishna river in India? Answer Nasik. 45th question. What percent of Earth's total water is fresh water? Answer 2.7%. 46th question. Which state has the highest reserve of coal in India? Answer Jharkhand. 47th question. Which mineral is used to make glass? Answer mica. 40th question. Which state has the maximum potential for tidal energy in India? Answer Gujarat. 49th question. Which of the region of India is minerally rich? Answer Deccan and Chota Nagpur region. 50 question. The movement of people on and out of an area is called answer migration. If you like this video, hit on the thumbs up button and share as much as you can and subscribe the channel. Thank you.